Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 2021 71 plate MG HS plug-in hybrid. What I'll be doing in this video is just showing you the features of the vehicle and showing you the condition it's in. So as far as features go, it is the exclusive model, so it comes with near enough everything on it. So we'll just start first though with the alloy design. So you can see there, nice and simple, no diamond cut as well, so nice and easy to keep clean, don't have to worry about cleaning chemicals there. As we move down the side of the vehicle, you get keyless entry. Also got cameras on the wing mirrors just to help out with the 360 camera. It's got roof bars up on the top. As you move around the front, you do get LED running lights up front there. There isn't any parking sensors as the 360 camera covers the front end pretty well. So I'll show you that once we get inside. But as you can see, condition wise, it's in really good condition. I think there's one mark I've noticed in the whole vehicle. So I'll point that out as we get there. So just as you get on the rear, as I said, you do have plenty of cameras, so there's your reverse camera there. Down at the bottom you've also got 4 parking sensors. And then the only little area I've noticed anything is that tiny little bit on the moulding, so it's not even the painted section. So just while we're at the boot as well, you do get electronic tailgate, so if you just hold that one there, boot pops straight open. You've also got your plug-in hybrid badge in there. So you can see there's plenty of room in the boot. The boot floor doesn't drop, as that's where you've got a bit of storage for your charging cables and for your inflation kit. But it does give you plenty of space with it folding completely flat and actually lock in place once they hit the floor. So you've also got a little button to close it. So moving on from there, we'll just look in the rear. Helps if I open the vehicle first. There we are. So move that little price board out of the way. So in the back though, you do have 2 climate vents. You've got charging for your rear seat passengers. Also got a nice large armrest with a bit of storage, cup holders at the front as well. It's really well packaged. Also got this faux leather material inside. Does a really good job of replicating the real thing. So into the front, do get electric windows all around, electric folding wing mirrors as you'd expect with a top spec vehicle. Also got keyless start as well as keyless entry. So we'll let that just jump into life. While it's doing that, just over to the centre screen. So you do get sat nav in this vehicle. You've also got DAB radio. However, in all honesty, you probably won't use those because you do get Apple CarPlay down there and Android Auto on the next screen. We'll have a quick look anyway. So while navigation's loading, we'll just come back to the centre screen. So you can see with it being the plug-in hybrid there, you've got 16 miles at 51% charge, so you can do about 30 miles on just battery alone, but you can leave it to flick in between, get really good miles per gallon overall. So moving down, we do get a few sort of audio controls just on the wheel here. Over on the right hand side is just your trip computer controls. Then got automatic lights over on the left hand side. You've also got cruise control just down there, and then you've got your wipers and intermittent setting. The sat nav's loaded up. It's quite a simple design, doesn't overcomplicate anything. Back onto the home screen, then we'll press this 360 so you can look at 360 camera. So it's really good quality, this one, when it loads up. So there we go. So you can actually look at the front or the back. So if you want to take a look at the back, there we go. Got a nice little view there. You can also look at the front there. So you can just change it around. You can sort of look what you need to. Look at the front, you can look at the rear. So as I said, you don't need the parking sensors around the front because it tells you what you're going to do. If you pop it into reverse, there you go, straight into the reverse camera. So really simple, really great design there. And then where you plug your devices in, got a couple just hidden under here with the 12-volt power outlet. You do have to use one on the left for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Inside you've then got your dual clutch transmission with reverse, neutral, park and drive. Park button just being up at the top. Then got an auto hold as well, hill descent control, pure EV button, and just up here you've got your opening for the boot. And you've got 2 cup holders in the middle. Just behind there you've got the centre storage area, and then you've got the nice big glass panoramic roof with a little shutter there, and then you can open it up with that one there. So really simple. You don't overcomplicate and it works quite quickly as well. Certainly lets in a lot of air. So if there is anything I've not covered in this video or any extra info you want, don't hesitate to get in contact and we'll see what we can do to help. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, bye.